Thanks so much for your interest in Lunt Consulting. I'm happy to share this testimonial from Rich Manning of Manning Design and Engineering Group, showing how he obtained value from us.
Manning Design and Engineering Group is an electrical engineering firm. We do commercial buildings. We do retail, office buildings, industrial, healthcare, a little bit of everything. We're an electrical only engineering design firm, and we're coming up on 7 years now. We've got a few contracts employees, and including myself, we have 3 full-time design engineers. So I was a little underwater, overwhelmed, if you will, as far as managing the business and all the tasks and everything that I needed to get done on a daily basis. So I needed some guidance because I know engineering, but I'm not well versed in running a company. So I needed some help and from a different perspective so that I could look at things differently. And Micah totally was able to help guide me, look at things differently, and gave me some resources and was able to get me on the right track with a lot of different things that I needed to get helped out with as far as personnel, getting organized and getting focused. I was not looking for a cheerleader to give me motivation. I've got plenty of that. I did not need a young person telling me just, some sound bites of common bumper sticker type of quotes. I needed somebody with experience who, done similar things, been in situations with leadership experience, with management experience, personnel issues and challenges. That's what I needed to focus on because I needed all those things. I love my task at hand, which is engineering and design and fighting through those challenges. I'm not great with personnel and managing or leading. So that's the guidance that I needed. And that's exactly what I needed from Micah and his team. Being a worker myself, I'm always sensitive to making rough decisions or difficult decisions and how that's received. But sometimes tough love is needed. And so it was good hearing that sometimes you do need to bring the hammer down and say, okay, this is the line that we need to draw. But also, what I did not have in place was some clarity in my company. So having a employee handbook, getting that started, and having a set of rules so that everybody knew what was going on, that's what I was missing. So there were several things that I didn't realize. All the questions that my folks had that I needed to put in place to help them out in order to help me out. When I look at software to buy or listen to anybody's spiel of the service that they offer, what I don't like is when they say, hey, we've got this service or this software that you need to use. And what I like is that with T2L, that you say, hey, what is your issue? What are your challenges? Let's try to work with that. And you have worked with so many different areas, so many different jurisdictions, and so many different people that you've got a breadth of knowledge an experience that you can accommodate so many different people. You don't say, hey, here's my little tiny toolbox that this will fix all of your problems. And so that's what I like, is that you can handle nearly any problem with so many different things, rather than just say, hey, here's the magic pill that solves everybody's problems for anything.